So guys, as you can see over here, I'll be showing you how to fix this problem if you are facing it on your device. So when you tap on the videos on YouTube, and you can see that it's not showing in a full ratio of the video. So as you can see, just look at it, it's not showing in a full ratio. So if you want it to show in a full ratio, what you have to do is very easy and very simple. So you have to tap on the subscribe button, like, share this video, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends on other platforms. Yeah, so it's very important. So to fix this, what you have to do is, it's very simple. You just have to tap over here on the recent button, and you just clear it like this. Then after that, go and tap on your YouTube app again. So just search for your YouTube app, then you tap on it. After that, what you have to do to get back your video is very simple. You have to tap over here on the profile. Just tap on your profile over here, which is down below. When you tap on your profile where they've written you are going to see your history over here. So just tap on the video again, then you tap on play, and this problem is now fixed. So as you can see, it's now full ratio. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.